Hello, welcome to A Action Services. We specialize in residential service, Maryland, Virginia, and D.C. Been in business since 1976. It's taken me that long to get the quality of people that I now have that I'm quite proud of. We train these people twice a week, mandatory, so that they're up to date on the latest codes. The different jurisdictions have different requirements and they're constantly changing. We keep them up to date on the most ingenious techniques for installing, whether it's your electrical, plumbing, your heating and air conditioning. Why should you use A Action Services? You'll notice the first time you call, you'll talk to a client representative who really cares, that will respect your time, try to find out what your problem is, and work to get it in your schedule so you have minimal inconvenience. We'll come out with a warehouse on wheels. It's a truck. We call warehouse on wheels, stocked with thousands of parts. What does that mean to you? That means that you're going to get your job fixed today, so you don't have to take off any more time. The man will come in a nice white shirt with shoe covers. We call them floor protectors because he respects your property. He'll clean up after himself. He'll assess the job and give you a straightforward and upfront price in writing. He'll share options with you. So whether you want to make a minor repair or you're just tired of this old system and you'd like the whole thing replaced with a much more energy efficient system, he'll share those options with you so you can decide what is the best for you and your family. We look forward to servicing you, so please pick up the phone and call us 703-922-1900 today.